Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're going to be reviewing and unboxing and reviewing and using and unboxing and spraying this Anker power washer. Yes, Anker, the people that make the phone charger accessories, apparently they've dipped into the power washer game, or it could be some rebranded Chinese thing, I don't know. But the power washer that I currently use is 2300 psi and 1.2 gallons per minute. It's that Ryobi in the back there. But this one is like 2100 psi but 1.7 or 1.78 gallons per minute. Any of you foam cannon nerds would know that what you want is gallons per minute. And what I want is an electric power washer, not to have to use a gas power washer. So I've always been on the hunt for a electric power washer with a high gallons per minute rating. And this one might be it, and it's only like 120 bucks on Amazon. I'll link this exact one down below. There's a few ones that are similar, but not the exact specs, so I'll list this exact one down below. It's like 100 and... Actually, I got it on a Prime deal day, so it was like 100 bucks even. But I think usually they're like 130 bucks. All right, here we go. Here's the main unit right here. There's a big long hose here. Handle, power cord. Holy crap, that's a long ass power cord. So if you and your boys are having a power cord measuring contest, you just might win. And then we have the gun, of course, with the quick release on it. And I'm not going to use any of my aftermarket stuff. I have like a different gun and a different nozzle and everything, but I'm not going to use any of that stuff. And then this Tool Daily foam cannon. I've grown to somewhat like this thing. I used to have the MTM PF22, but it like broke this part up here, the nozzle broke. So I said, let's try this little $15 one or $10 one, whatever it is. And I'll link this down below too, in case you're wondering what this is. So this whole setup right here should be under 150 bucks. We're gonna test it, see if it gives us some good foam. All right, we're plugged in, water's on. Let's turn it on. I guess it's loaded and ready to go. The 25-degree one, like that. You see, once I take my hand off it, it turns off. So it goes, and it's done. It goes, and it's done. So it shuts off whenever you're not using it. And the power is like it's about half a second in where you get the full power. So it's like a gradual, and then it's good. Right there, it's full power. And as always, I'm using this Honeydew Snow Foam for the foam cannons, kind of like industry standard, I think. And I'm gonna pour that much in there. Alright, now this comes off, and this goes on, like that, and let's start foaming. So as you can see, yeah, that kicks out some awesome foam action. I was honestly super surprised with that. I thought it was going to be a little bit lackluster, but that was really, really good. The really cool thing about this foam cannon is it comes with a 1.3 and then a 1.1 millimeter nozzle, not a nozzle, but a, what do they call it, an inlet or whatever. Basically, you unscrew this with a wrench right here, and inside there's a little valve that you can screw out with a flathead and put the other one in. And so it has a narrower little hole in it that the water shoots through, which creates more pressure for when you're using a electric washer with under 2 gallons per minute. So it simulates the effect of a big gas-powered washer, which is expensive, and then you got to put gas in and all that shit, where you can just get an extension cord and run one of these things. They're super convenient, super awesome. So this setup for 150 bucks is super killer. I'll link it down in the description below. I'll link this. I'll even link the soap that I use. The soap is really cool. It smells great, and a lot of people use it. It's really good stuff. But yeah, guys, any questions you have, throw them in the comments down below. I'm sure I'll be able to answer them. And appreciate you watching. Have a good day. Bye.